Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. I've been asked now a few times about the Quant update, but yeah, to be honest, not much has happened. But because so many people have asked, really, I thought, look, come on, let's do another Quant update. Quant, in my view, a very, very promising, undervalued cryptocurrency, yeah, which also from a chart point of view is just looking amazing. Because so many people are currently buying into cryptos which have already moved a lot in the last few weeks, that are in the overbought range, people buying mana and stuff, even though it's overbought. But a Quant is actually looking really good from a chart, and it is retracing at the moment. It's retracing in a bull flag. It's a bullish retracement. That is my view. It looks powerful, that chart. You came up, like, made a 600%, but then after that 600%, you had a 2-month correction, which is not necessarily surprising. And we've already come down to the golden pocket. Now, as I said before, most prices get drawn down to the golden pocket in a retracement, and that is where we've come down to. Not saying that we couldn't come down lower from here, but so far this support level has held really well. And the last time that we dropped below it, below this level here of around $250, this was bought up very, very quickly at $237. You can see that long wick here. Yeah, you can see that. That was all bought up very quickly. And since then, we've actually made quite a bit of a move to the upside. Tried to climb up the fib ladder here to the next fib level. Failed, however, and dropped down again. But now finding support here again at the golden pocket, at the 0.618 fib level, at the golden ratio. We're in this descending wedge, which again is a bullish pattern, not guaranteed to break out to the upside, but I would expect it in the current environment to break out to the upside from here. Now we're moving into the apex. The apex is still a few weeks away. If we say, that it will break out at here, could break out at any time, really. You never know. This can just come out of the blue. As soon as you break out of the 20 and the 50-day moving average, we could really push much higher. There were various attempts here. They always failed. And what also could happen could just be extended. You could just move a little bit sideways, even if you break out here, but we could just move on sideways and have to readjust that descending wedge here. That is all a possibility. That is happening, has happened before. I think the thing is, Quant moves very quickly. If it moves up, it moves really quickly. You can see that here, moved up crazy, retraced, moved up fast again, retraced, and moved up even more. And then we had to retrace quite a long time. Because why did we have to retrace? Because we were so overbought here on the daily. Not necessarily only on the daily, it was also on the weekly here, and we've only just come out of the overbought range. So that is why we had to retrace so long. It is just what it is. And now I think we're getting back into a position where we are not overbought anymore on the weekly. We are okay, looking okay here on the 4-hour, but on the daily as well, we are good. We have space to go to the upside, and this pump that will come will just come out of the blue. And I can't really give you any key breakout point here because we had them before. We had these breakout points. I think, to be honest, a really, really big move will happen as soon as we get above the 0.382 fib level. So if I had to give you a breakout point, I think it would be that one, the $320 level, because we tried breakouts above this level before, here, and it always failed. Here we didn't even get to it. I think this is the key level. Yeah, this $320 level. Yes, we've made pumps to 315, nearly to the 320 level, but we also moved up above it. But on the daily, we never, in the last couple of months, we haven't really closed above it. There was one close above it, but that was the next day we went down. So even then, but at that time we were below the 20-day moving average. So this time, if that happens, we would be above the 20-day moving average. That would then provide less resistance going forward. And it would just be that fib level that we need to get above. If that happens, I think then we can seriously talk about new all-time highs. Until then, I think we continue that consolidation sideways move. We'll move between the golden pocket and the 0.382 fib level. That means move between $255 and $320. Yeah, we're currently still below the 20-day, still below the 50-day moving average. Need to get above that, or they will push us down in the next few days and possibly in the next couple of weeks. If that happens, the next support will be at $208 here. That will be that fib level here, the 0.786. Other than that, I think the chart generally looks bullish. Even if we drop here, I think you could still probably identify here a bullish, basically a descending wedge, which would then still be sort of bullish. Just need to find out then how that would look like. But personally, I would say the golden pocket is holding, and at some point here in the next few weeks, we will go up from here. That's my view. And this is set for continuation in my view. This is zooming out. This chart looks extremely strong, and everybody should be happy actually about this chart. Everybody who's interested in quant, I'm not telling you to invest in quant, but do your research. I am extremely bullish on quant. I like the project, really good team based in London, work together on with Ripple on the British digital pound, and big partnerships as well. In the with Oracle, for example, they have access to all the Oracle customers, I think, as well, in a trial. And it's big. Their ledger technology is nice, good, still fairly unknown, that cryptocurrency, still a fairly low market cap to what it should be having in my view, and the next pump could push us to pay possibly $500. That's Quant. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.